Hey there, Sarah here. It has been a long time since I've done one of these. I unsubscribed to Fab Fit Fun and then resubscribed this past spring. Didn't do an unboxing there. But my summer box came right before vacation and I didn't really go through everything. So since it's just been sitting there, I figured I would just go ahead and do an unboxing. I don't actually at this point remember what was an add-on and whatnot, so I'm just going to go through everything with you. This, if you are a long-time subscriber, you might be shaking your head at me for getting, but this is something, even though I was subscribed for a while, I never had in a box, I never had previously in an add-on. It's the salsa and guac bowl, and I always thought it was cute, but for whatever reason, didn't yet. And I know a lot of people complain, it doesn't want to come out. A lot of people on the boards and things complain that this is just constantly there. So, whoa, is it just salsa? I thought it was salsa and guac. Oh, it is salsa and guac. Okay, so guac, salsa, backwards, but still cute, and it comes with your little wooden utensils. So cute. I do like that. And I mean, at least for me, it was good that it was still available. Here's something. I know that these were add-ons. I got 3 of these to make sure that we have enough for everyone. I'm one of those people when I travel on an airplane, a little bit of a germaphobe, even pre-cough. I would take my Lysol wipes and wipe down everything. But this is cool. It has a tray cover dealie, a tray cover organizer and tote, then a seat cover. I'm not sure if this will fit over a larger seat, like if you're in first class. I'm hoping it will. And then a reversible mask with filter. I think most people have their own masks, but it's always good to have a spare, I guess, for traveling. This, I have a real issue with cords. It's the same thing, I guess. So I'm going to give that a shot, see if it does anything for me. I went ahead and got the bralette. I wasn't sure exactly on the sizing. I got the large, extra large, because I wasn't sure, and I'd rather have, I know people, if this is too big, that I could give it to. The small medium just wasn't positive it would fit. So this is, who is this by? It's one of the boho brands. I know it, but no, actually I thought it said it was, but this just says Intimately FP. Free People. There we go. Then this, I like their other products that I've gotten, some of which were from Fab Fit Fun. So I decided to give Living Proof shampoo and conditioner a shot. Never tried that before, but I will now. More seat covers. I really like R Plus Co. This is the Zigzag Root Teasing and Texture Spray. I've tried a number of their other products, so this I'm looking forward to. I think I know who I want to give this to. I chose this because I think there just weren't other options that I was interested in, but I know someone who wants this, so I'm probably going to give it to her. This was something I was excited about. All of the other, I think they're microfiber type towels that I've gotten from Fab Fit Fun, every single one of those towels I've gotten from Fab Fit Fun. And this one, of course, is adorable. I love Lily Pulitzer's designs, and this is just beautiful. So I'm super happy to have this. Could use an extra one, being the time of year that it is. This I would not have just chosen if it wasn't something for the box. I think there just wasn't anything better. So we'll see. We'll see if it gets used. This is, I believe, a picnic blanket. It's got a little squishiness to it. This will be good for like taking my little nephews to the park and having a picnic when it cools off a little. I love this stuff. I just did a little short, and the little things were in that little Ahava hand cream. Oh, this is Essential Day Moisturizer. I'm sure this is good too. I've used this before, so yeah, I love their stuff. It's great. This is just one of the freebies they put in there. Hydration multiplier. Kayo body scrubber. Not entirely sure what this is. Is this even something? I think this was just an extra. I think I read something about an extra thing being in the box. It kind of looks like one of those like drain plugs or something, or kitchen or bathtub drain. This is a thing to I believe it's water resistant thing to put. This is what's so bad about opening your box months later. You don't really remember what was in it, but I believe that this is to put like electronics and things in. Yes, it definitely is, because it has a second clear zipper pouch. Yes, so that will be convenient. Good thing to have, especially water parks, vacation. Murimuru. This is probably hair leave-in conditioner. This mop can always use extra conditioning. And I think, oh, no, we still have something else. This, I was pretty excited to get. These are baggies for your produce. So, you know, one little step towards saving the planet. I already have a couple things like that, but they're like the bigger woven bags. But there we go. I think gone through everything. I also have some edit items that are coming in that I have only one thing left. I'll probably just film it today. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Take care.